depression and what way you can tackle depression. Okay. Now, in simplest words, if I want to define depression, anybody would like to contribute what exactly, how would you define depression as?
It's an unhappy state of mind
Yes.
where the person has been disappointed.
Disappointed. Why you have been disappointed? What's the reason for your disappointment?
Expectation not met.
Yeah. So there is something like if you say depression is a situation where you are expecting, your expectations are not being fulfilled, right?
Yes.
Expected something but that's not been fulfilled. Now that could be a situation, the depression could be physical, physiological, mental or psychic. Now let's not discuss what are the different ways in which the depression can result. The only thing that you got to understand, depression is something, it's about expectation.
How do you understand about depression? Because this is a problem I also face.
I'll tell you what. Now depression is something which is when you say there is something which you call talk about health. Health is what? Basically the harmony. The harmony or the energy or the vitality because of which you can perform all your physical, physiological, psychic and mental ability without getting any sort of obstruction. Okay? The moment has been obstructed. That is what we call depression. And that's not in one thing. Suppose it what now today I'm a bit habitual to get up early in the morning, say 6:30. Now from last 3 days I have been traveling in the train or plane and all. So whatever is a sequential you can say incident which has been occurring over the years, and if it's get disturbed, prolonged, not for once a while. Suppose today I'm not feeling well, I have not in a position to get up at 5:30, instead of 5:30 I've got up by 6:30. So that's not depression. That's not a transition. That's a sequential evidence or situational assertion or change of your routine, which could be because you're not feeling well, because the circumstances demanded, because you got to go out, because you're not there at the moment with your own family. It could be that. But when that's there repeatedly,
Vicious cycle?
yeah, when it becomes a vicious cycle. See now what happens? You are accustomed to take bath with hot water. Okay? Today, now the geyser is not working. So as a matter of fact, geyser is not working for 2 days, you have to take bath with cold water, that's fine enough. But suppose that will come in. Have a seat. But suppose that becomes again and again, for each and every day, you would need to take yourself bath with that cold water. And that's a simple example I'm giving you. What happens actually if you're taking bath with cold water? What happens? You are habitual to the cold water. So your stimulation level won't be that particular thing. Second thing, after that bath, the feeling of rejuvenation or the feeling of satiety, that factor won't be there. So as a matter of what happened after bath, you would be either fighting with your spouse, or you would be going to your office. There would be the whole cycle goes one way and the other. So normally when we talk about depression, depression is what something which disturbs your this. When your harmony, your peace, or the activity, the enthusiasm. What is health? We say health is an enthusiasm at which you perform your daily activity without any obstruction. But that enthusiasm is not there. What happened? If you are not well, then also you got to assume to your office. If you are not well, then still you got to be going to your classes, your work, your factory and all. But what happened? In that case, the enthusiasm or the energy or the vitality which is required for doing that particular work, that gets disturbed very, very badly. You get it? So in order to assist So this is, we also say depression is also nothing but like the sequential symptoms. And these symptoms would be pertaining to the order or pertaining to like the choices or the option that you have in your life. Okay? So what happened? Now suppose today I had a very important meeting. I was supposed to be going for a very important presentation. Now what happened? I missed, my driver is not come. Now my driver is not come, so as a matter of fact, what will happen? First thing, I'll reach late for my meeting. Suppose on the top, if I have not done my presentation is also not proper, what will I do? There, the kind of influence or the kind of picture which I was supposed to be portrayed, that picture is also not conveyed properly. Okay, so as a result, what happened? Now, first of all, you have not reached on time. Second time, the time which you could have used to prepare yourself, that's been lost. Third thing, even your preparation has been not up to the bar. Obviously, so the result would be what? The deed or like the assignment or the project or what mission you were going for, that would be ultimately a failure. Okay? Now this failure, it's not going to be like something which is going to be giving you results, right? At the moment you are going, you are not up to the mark, you have not defined yourself properly. So instead of just like going about here and there, if you can gather some energy, if you can build up a little bit area around yourself, that is, we call it like there are 4 areas that in which we will work on. Okay, what are these 4 areas? 1, 2, 3, 4. First is, can you do anything unless and except you accept? Yes, there is a problem. There is a depression. There is a problem. You have been late. Your driver is not coming. Your preparation is not up to the mark. So first of all, you got to accept the fact where exactly you stand. Whether you are healthy or whether you are not healthy. Okay? Now we get trapped down into 2 categories. The people who are failed, okay fine, my this marks are like my this test is positive, that means I'm healthy. Okay, getting your cholesterol level, getting your liver profile, getting your kidney profile does not ensure that you are healthy. Many times you would have seen the people who have just gone for like the latest profile, and after 2 months only they had a heart attack. After a month only they had a kidney failure. After like 10 days only they had something or the other. So these profiles are just a reference mark. They just definitely ask like give yourself away from certain things. But they do not safeguard your safety. They do not safeguard your health. So what you can do to safeguard your health? So we say there is a 4-point formula that you can accept. First is you say accept. Accept what the situation is. And accept what your goal is. Your health is an issue. Your business is an issue. Okay, your behavior is an issue. Whatever. First you need to do. If you are having depression, means there is something I lack. What is that something which I lack? You get it? See, suppose your son has come or your husband has come today and he said, come on, now I'm in a very good mood, let's have like nice dinner. I said, okay, instead of going out, let me make something nice for you. Okay, so he said you offer something like very nice vegetarian menu, something a biryani or a pulao, like something like that. Now, if you are starting a pulao or a biryani, what would be the first thing that you will take in? What will be your first consideration? अगर आपको अपने हस्बैंड के लिए घर में आपकी पार्टी है, आपको खाना बनाना है, तो पहली चीज क्या आप प्रिपेयर करोगे?
His likes will be respected.
Yeah, first thing is that when you are making for something, you have to make sure. Suppose आप मेरे लिए बना रहे हो, you want to make it for your husband or you want to make it for your son. So the husband choice would be different, the son's choice would be different. Now the son may like pizza, your husband may be totally averse to it. So you want to make him happy. If you make pizza, would he be happy?
No.
Okay? So first you have to accept what is the demand. What is the situation? The situation is that you want to see to it your husband is having a good time or you are giving a treat to him. Obviously it would be for the rather for the entire family members, but your main goal would be what? Towards your husband. see, now suppose you have decided he likes flour, he likes biryani, or he likes like you can say parathas, whatever is the issue. Then what will be your next step? उसके बाद आपका next step क्या होगा? ना आपने menu choose कर लिया कि भैया मुझे उनके लिए बनाना है. Now you know what's his best dish, उनको क्या पसंद है. तो उसके बाद आपका next step क्या होता है?
To maybe ask him if he feels like eating rice on a particular day or not.
Okay, fine. Suppose he said I'm okay, give me anything which is a rice. I'm okay with a rice dish. So what would you do then?
Start preparing it immediately.
But how would you do it then? How would you start preparing a dishes? If you have
The
already-
ingredients should be there.
ingredients should be there, right? So except what? And all ingredients. Now in this case, what would be your ingredients?
Rice and different spices
Spices.
required for that.
Spices, rice and all. And if you're having depression, what would be the thing that you'd be lacking? You'd be lacking the drive. You'd be lacking the energy.
Enthusiasm.
Okay, you'll be lacking the enthusiasm. And how can you build that? How can you build your enthusiasm? How can you build your energy? How can you get your vitality at that particular moment to get into the circle to, yeah, come in please. To get into the mood for doing something for him, brother, as well as for you also. What will be the thing which will get like your energy level back to the level as you have been always experiencing it?
Endeavor to overcome your depression.
Sorry?
Endeavor to overcome your depression in the right state of mind. So as to
Yes, that's the right thing. What do you mean by right state of mind?
a healthy state of mind.
Now, what is a healthy state of mind?
You have to be
A state of mind
motivated.
which is very peaceful and you
You have to
can
motivate yourself
Yeah.
in order to make him happy.
Uh-huh.
Okay, it basically is a state of mind. Now I know that okay, just to get him into that happiness,
Ha,
I must create a situation
ha.
where I make myself motivated in order to get him happy, like to put a smile on his face.
Yeah.
I know what it takes me to get his smile.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll put all my energy, my effort.
Hmm.
Now the ingredients are there. First thing, the ingredients should be there. Once the ingredients are there, then you put in your self motivation to you, to yourself. Okay, I must make him happy. So I put lagav chavi for my own self. Yeah, let's do
Okay,
it.
so what is that thing which lagav shabi from your own hand? If you're
to put your best foot forward.
Yeah, so how do you put your best foot forward?
So some pep talk is necessary.
Sorry?
Some pep talk is necessary.
Some?
Pep talk.
Okay. To make him feel good, to flatter him. Right?
But ultimately, stomach has to be full.
Yeah, that's no doubt about it. But I want a very specific word, a
Okay.
very specific thing. See, we have started with the thing, I have depression or I am helping somebody who's already on a very low ground. Okay, let's suppose that's somebody from your family members. Now you want to ease his pain, you want to ease the kind of gloominess or the sadness which he's having. Probably that's a partner. So first you accept that yes, he needs help. You accepted the fact he needs help. Now he needs help what basically? You can't, maybe you are not that much qualified enough to give him the help regarding the business tips and all, but what you can do, you can motivate him at the personal level, at the behavioral level. So what are the things we needed at the behavioral level? First is acceptance, second is we say rearrange all the ideas. You rearrange or realign. Okay? And how do you realign? You realign everything with love and affection. Right? Is it true? When you're doing, remember all whatever has been said and done in the life of, in the healing, meta healing, conscious healing, subconscious healing, meditation. The principle is just one. Whether you talk about the secret, whether you talk about the creative visualization, DNA healing, theta healing, that past life regression, the thought or the basic healing principle is just one and the same. What is that? What is the basic principle of healing? Whatever
Compassion.
happens,
Compassion.
yeah, compassion. And where does compassion comes from? Compassion comes from the love.
Yeah,
It
yes.
comes from the heart.
Basically, an understanding as to what.
That's right.
Empathy.
Empathy, that's right. Compassion, empathy, and all that comes from where? It comes from heart. And what is the basic thing which comes from heart?
Love.
Love. So what happens when you are depressed? You are basically denying self-love. You are denying yourself. Or you denying, what do you say, self-love. By restricting or inhibiting your capacity, your ability or your appearances. तीन ही factors होते हैं हमारे, right? Capacity, ability and appearance. Okay? Right? So when we got to make a change, I would not say you got to make a change, go to a parlor, go to a meditation guru who is situated in Himalaya, or take lessons from somebody, a therapist which has come from London or somebody who's come from Australia. This is the basic rule which has been governed all over the centuries, all over the decades, all over the years until the time the world will come to an end. You got to understand the greatest and the most effective medicines, therapies or the treatment on the earth is nothing but love and care. You do anything with just keeping these two factors in your life, love and care, you would surely get the results. Now let's come to what way we can use it for the therapeutical implementation of depression. Now suppose, as we were on to that example, you are preparing something for your husband. Now you have made all the ingredients, you have aligned all yourself, okay? Now you know what sort of food he likes it and you have arranged all these things and all. So what do you say? Depression occurs. First of all, we have, when you have multitasking, don't you agree?
Yes.
At any interval of time, you are capable of doing multitasking. That's what we call it. Okay, multitasking का मतलब समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को?
Especially in the
You
kitchen.
are, yes.
समझाइए multitask. What do you mean?
In the kitchen.
Multitasking means you are capable of handling say 5 things, but instead of 5 things, you are answerable for 25 things. So how would you be in a position to justify for those 25 things? Your capacity is to handle only 5 things at a time. But instead of 5 things, you are managing say more than something which you can adjust, something which you are capable of managing enough, right? And this pressure, when it becomes over your limit, it exceeds your capacity, it exceeds your limit. That's what depression comes in, right? That's what depression comes in. So first thing is that if I want to manage my depression, what I'm going to do is, what I should be doing is, analyze what are the things which required in you. Multitasking की वजह से आपको depression हो रहा है, तो पहले मैं देखूँ ना, let me scan. मेरी priority क्या है? What are the things? Am I supposed to do all these 25 things at that particular time itself? Do you see? I'll give you a very simple example. Now every morning, we get up, okay, and it is 10-15 minutes ka cycle, which is very routine. You'll have your newspaper wala which is coming in, you have your milkman delivering the milk, you would be having maybe your maid coming at the same time, right? You would be having maybe your peon or the driver coming to give you the key or take the key from you. These are very sedentary 3-4 activities which is a part of every person's first initial you can say 20-25 minutes gets you come out of your bed. Because ये सबसे पहले आते हैं. आप अपने डेस्क पे बाद में जाओगे, आप अपने दूसरे लोगों को, अपनी फैमिली मेंबर को, अपने हस्बैंड को, अपने बच्चों को बाद में मिलोगे. पहले दूध वाले की शक्ल देखोगे या पहले न्यूज़पेपर वाले की शक्ल देखोगे या ड्राइवर की शक्ल देखोगे. Now what I can do? Do you have a control over this thing? आप उसको ड्राइवर को रोज बोलोगे 7 बजे आओ, अब दूध वालों को बोलोगे 6 बजे आ जाना, वो कितने बजे आएगा? 6:45 बजे. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको पूरा राउंड देते हुए आना है. You start every day. तुमको बोला है 6 बजे आना, मेरे बच्चे को स्कूल जाना होता है, तुम नहीं आते हो तो नहीं होता, मेरा बच्चा बिना स्कूल के गया. You are fighting with a person. Do you think you can control him or you can make him understand that yes, he got to be there at 6 o'clock, otherwise your son or your kid would go without breakfast? Would you accept that? Because his priority is what? वो 10 लोगों को दूध नहीं देगा तो उसका राशन कैसे चलेगा? If he's understanding, he'll try to find out a way in between. But if he's not understanding, why would he understand when he's getting 10 customers and you are just going to take how much? 2 liters, 3 liters, you're not going to take more than that unless and until you have a dairy. I don't think you can afford to take more than that. So how would you retaliate that situation? So I'm just saying there is always things which are required for you to take step personally or at that particular time only. हम लोग क्या करते हैं उस वक्त we get into that that bridge of anger. अब वो अपना पूरा भड़ास जब तक वो जाएगा नहीं, उसको जब तक हम 10 गालियाँ नहीं सुना देंगे, उसको पूरी उसकी नहीं निकालेंगे, तुमने पिछले महीने में 10 फाड़े किए, 2 बार मेरा बच्चा स्कूल से चला गया, फलाना हो गया, ढिमका हो गया. You are wasting your time and energy over an incident which has got no relevance. Isn't it true?
Yes.
आपको मालूम है फिर 2 दिन जाएगा फिर वो करेगा, आपको मालूम है फिर 2 दिन होएगा वो होएगा. Same thing occurs with the maid. जिस दिन ज़्यादा काम होएगा वो एब्सेंट रहेगी. आपको भी मालूम है वो जितना भी झूठ बोलेगी या सच बोलेगी, you know you have no control. But still दूसरे दिन वो आएगी, आप 1 घंटा उसको बैठ कर कहानी सुनाओगे, उसकी कहानी सुनोगे. कोई मतलब है उस चीज़ का?
No.
You get it?
Yes.
So when we talk about depression, we say don't do multitasking. Get involved in the incidences or situations where you are required, where your participation is important. ये आप नहीं करो, आपकी दूसरी मेड है, आपके घर में दूसरा बंदा है, 2 नौकर है, एक दूसरा नौकर भी मैनेज कर सकता है. दूध आप अपने हाथ से नहीं लोगे, दूसरा लेगा, कोई हर्ज है? Yes, but sending your husband to school or sending your guy, feeding him, that's your priority. Because that requires your emotional intimacy. Do you understand? So, where do we have the problem? The problem is that we are not able to channelize your energy, or we are not in a position to understand what our priorities are. Do you understand? If you can understand what is your priority, work, job, love, or happiness for yourself first, not for the entire family. नहीं सब लोग खुश रहेंगे तो मैं भी खुश रहूँगी. ठीक है भैया, that's a very good thing. God has given you a very noble thought. But understand, you are also a human being, and every human being has a right to be happiness. That's your exclusive right. Happiness and love are the true intrinsic quality or the characteristic of any human being. And being a female, you should be thankful to God that He has made you female, because you got a more right to spread this feeling of love and happiness to everybody or every person who comes into your sphere. एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल लेते हैं. अगर एक एंटरप्रेन्योर होता है, एंटरप्रेन्योर आप लोग समझते हो किसको बोलते हैं?
Businessman.
बिजनेसमैन. एक एंटरप्रेन्योर एक इवेंट जो करता है, सपोज एक एंटरप्रेन्योर है जिसने सपोज होटल चालू किया है या किसी ने कोई बहुत बड़े लेवल पे कुछ काम किया, तो वो लोग फर्स्ट अगर कोई बड़ा इवेंट होता है तो क्या होता है? इनॉग्रेशन होता है. तो सबसे पहले क्या होता है? इनॉग्रेशन में होता क्या है? कोई भी कंपनी का कोई भी चीज़ का इनॉग्रेशन होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं? रिबन कटिंग के बाद क्या होता है? सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट इंडिया में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ क्या होती है?
आइसक्रीम.
खाना. राइट. तो एक एंटरप्रेन्योर जितना अपने मोस्ट एक्सक्लूसिव लाइफस्टाइल इवेंट पे खर्चा करता है ना, उतनी एक एवरेज इंडियन फीमेल अपने सर्कल में अपने फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, रिलेटिव, जान पहचान के नेबर्स और उसको उससे ज़्यादा खाना खिलाती है. I can count you with example, but we won't do that because we have very less time. Because as a female, we love to share and enjoy our life and bring that, spread forward the feeling of love and happiness. That doesn't mean that the men's are conjuice and all. I'm just giving you an example. Because we have more acquainted with people around with us, because we can give and we can accept invitations and all very easily. We get mixed up with the people very easily. So it becomes very easy for us to be a part of giving and sharing scenario, right? तो अब इसी में मुझे बताइए, जब आप प्रायोरिटीज आप डिफाइन कर रहे हैं, तो आज की तारीख में अगर हम किसी से भी आप किसी से बात करेंगे आपकी प्रायोरिटी क्या है, भैया सबसे तो पहले मैं 1 करोड़ रुपए का बंगला लूंगा, दो मेरे पास एक गाड़ी होनी चाहिए, एक बच्चों के लिए रहेगी, एक मेरे लिए रहेगी. Priorities does not mean only the finances. You think it only relates to the word called finances or only the monetary benefits? No, exclusively not. क्योंकि आज की तारीख में okay, the money has become, the whole world has become money oriented. But then see how many, there are so many people who have got say about 1 crore of rupees, but how many of them are happy? So only monetary benefits you should not be bothered about. You should not be only bothered about finances. You should be bothered about your relationship. You should bother about the people who are there in your sphere. कि अगर मैं ये step लेता हूँ, अगर मैं ये job ले रही हूँ, अगर मैं ये काम शुरू कर रही हूँ, अगर मैं ये काम शुरू करता हूँ, if I'm starting a hotel business, I would be stayed to be always like away from my house late night. ये parties का business है, hotel का है, late night activities होती है, events होते हैं, promotions होता है, आपको 2 बजे घर आना पड़ेगा. My children are just 4 and 5. They need my attention more than anybody else. So instead of doing this, why can't I get into a thing where I can devote more time? So say whenever you're starting a goal, whenever you're thinking about an activity, always keep not only the monetary factor, think about how would your parent react to it. Think about how would your spouse, your partner react to it. Think about how would your kid react to it. You get it? हमको क्या होता है, नहीं ये बिजनेस शुरू किया, अरे ये 6 महीने में इतना पैसा आ जाएगा, 1 साल में इतना हो जाएगा, 3 साल में इसकी कवर, ये मेरा जो है इन्वेस्टमेंट है वो कवर हो जाएगा. ये 3 साल में आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट कवर हो जाएगा. लेकिन अगर आपका प्यूबर्टी पे एक बच्चा है तो उसको जो गाइडेंस की, जो सुपरविजन की ज़रूरत है वो नहीं मिलेगा. वो अगर बिगड़ गया, आप जिंदगी भर उसको बेस्ट बोर्डिंग स्कूल में अब्रॉड भेज दो, कहीं पे भी भेज दो, वो सुधरने वाला है. सो प्रायोरिटीज, screening and then sequential placing of your behavior with the people around you. That's what it matters. You understand it? Just understand why we are so much prone to depression. Why like your dad never had to take sleeping pills for the sleeping. Why would your mom never had to take supplement for the menopause? Why did your sisters or your aunties and all never need to go for any sort of surgery and all, for any sort of thing and all?
Lifestyle.
Yes, that's the right one. Because their lifestyle was full of, first thing, physical activity. Second thing, continuous involvement, okay, continuous relationship. Joint families. Today you have a fight with this, second day you are having dinner at his house only. So you got to sit and smile, oh, how are you, how are your kids and all. So, they were not judgmental, screening of particular incidents. हम लोगों ने क्या किया है? We have small families, but we have big egos. Do you get it? Our families are so small, but our egos are so big. So any incident occurs, oh, this guy has done like that, this and that, I'm not going to talk to him. So one small incident, you're cut off from that circle or from that person for at least 5 years and 10 years. I know people who are not only talking terms with each other for years long, for 10 and 20 years in the intimate relationship. So we say if your nails grow big, what do?
Correct.
You cut fingers or you cut?
Nails.
Do you get it? So can you understand the similarity? If your nails grow big, you're cutting nails, you're not cutting finger. So if there is something which is occurring at the relationship level, what are you going to do? Okay, ease out that uneasiness. Okay, try to suppress or try to take care of that feeling of ego or that sarcastic feeling which you are having it. And I say don't be, suppose you said, okay, that becomes too much, I'm not a Buddha, I'm a common man, मेरे से नहीं होता है, मेरे को forgiveness नहीं आता है, उसने मेरे को इतना हर्ट किया, okay, नहीं forgive it, आप ऐसे बोलते हो, आप मेरी जगह पे होते तो आप ये कर लेते, आप तो मारते, मैंने तो कुछ नहीं बोला, मैं तो अपनी जगह से उठ के आ गया, मैंने उसको हाथ भी नहीं लगाया, मैं बस अब उससे बात नहीं कर रहा. Fine, understand. There are situations which you cannot control. There are situations where you cannot forgive. So I give you what is solution. I said forget about, okay, forgiveness is too big of a word. I don't think people like us us really can forgive anyone. Maybe the fault is us, but we won't accept and we won't forgive the other one also. So what do I say? ठीक है, ये बहुत बड़ा लफ्ज है, ये तो हम सोच भी नहीं सकते, तो ये बुद्धा और ऐसे लोगों के लिए, हमारे जैसे कॉमन लोगों के लिए. But what you can do? You want your life to be at best. You want to live your life peacefully. What do you do? Simple. No, what is it? Anybody can give me? Suppose if you can't forgive, what can you do about the situation which is hurting you?
Forget.
Let it go.
Forget. That's right. About forget के बाद भी अगर नहीं हो रहा है
Let
situation.
Let's go.
Let go, right? Let go. इसके अलावा simple words में क्या बताती हूँ?
Change your thought or get this
Transformation. Transformation. That's what we say. So I say forget about forgiving, forget and everything. What is transformation? I'm feeling bad.
Change.
Not change.
Diverting.
Diverting.
Change for the better.
Yeah. Not even better or worse. See, it's like I've gone for a picture. My friend gave me the idea. This movie is a very nice movie, okay, with a very lots of nice songs and all. When I arrive at the moment, I find the movie is very boring. Okay, so what do? Either I sit down because I have paid 500 tickets or 900 tickets at the INOX, or I might as well take a day. Okay, come out from there, go to the nearest theme park, or go to something, a restaurant or with a friend, join, go for a walk. Divert your mind. The thing is gone forever. Do you get it? As a child is crying. He needs a chocolate. No, he's asking for something like an ice cream. You know he has got cold. You cannot give him ice cream. What do? You give him a chocolate. So the moment you give him a chocolate,
His mind is diverted.
you get it. So we do that. Be a part of a larger picture. Don't be a कुएं का मेला. अब यही जिंदगी, इसी को मत समझ के चलो. अच्छा हुआ या जो बुरा हुआ, let it be. Just be out of it. उसके बजाय कोई दूसरी एक्टिविटी ढूंढो. Do you get it? Don't be judgmental कि उसने ऐसा किया, उसको ऐसा करना चाहिए था, उसको ऐसा करना चाहिए, वो मेरी बात नहीं सुनता. ठीक है, he has got his right. You have got your own right. You may be right on your part, he may be right on his part. What you can do is just be in a part of a larger picture. That's what we say, transformation. And this transformation, or we say healing, always arises from your heart. हार्ट में कब होता है? जब आपको लगता है. हीलिंग कब शुरू होती है? हीलिंग कब होती है? जब आपको लगता है नहीं आप गलत हो. Have you ever seen a person saying thinking yes I'm going to change without a reason? Unless and until he realize or she realize that there is a need, then only the person change it. So the healing does not arise from here. Healing arises from the fact, yes, somewhere I have been wrong. I have not done justice to this particular situation or this particular person. So I need to be more active, or I need to tackle it in a better way. And what not to do it better than expressing it or mixing it, love and care. That is what we do in all sort of meditation. Okay?
It is metanoia.
Sorry?
Metanoia, change of heart.
Yeah, metanoia. That's right. And meditation, more than meditation, we call it if you can accept this word. This is the biggest powerful medicine on the earth. Either silent meditation or light meditation. And that light also blue light meditation. What is meditation? Can anybody tell me what exactly is meditation?
Quietening your mind.
Sorry?
Quietening your mind and tuning to the rest of the wavelength.
Okay.
Being aware of the situation present. Like
Okay.
suppose if you are upset with someone,
Ah,
and then you calm yourself and be aware as to what is happening.
that's right.
Okay.
That's right.
And then you take a decision. You want to continue to be in the soup or you get out of the soup.
See what happens when you are in a mood or in a situation, your words are powerful than the picture. When you're in a meditation, okay, then nothing is powerful than your own self. So you get into a picture, it's like you are seeing, you are in a theater and you're seeing yourself, I'm sitting over here, I can see what is happening. So when you see the other people, see when you are there in the situation, you are a victim. And when you are out, you are a witness. So it's a lot of difference between being a victim and a witness. So don't be a victim. When you are a victim, you are helpless. But when you are a witness, you can do a lot of things. You can change the situation and you can transform your life and give it a much required boost what is required for you to do. Is it true? Understood? So we say when you're talking about healing, transformation, everything is connected with our heart. Now what is your heart connected with?
Love.
Love. Sorry? Tell me. Yeah, heart is connected with the brain only, but how does the correlation between the heart and the brain gets cut
Cut
off?
off.
Yeah. How does it get cut off? How does it get cut off?
Is it because of the soul?
Intervention of your ego.
Yeah, and why does the ego rises?
Ego rises because of a wrong judgment,
Wrong judgment, and the wrong judgment arises because of,
inadequate understanding,
and that's because of what?
not being true to oneself.
Okay. Whatever is the problem arises because of your disturbance in your emotion. So we say, if I would have to define one word or one sentence, what is depression or how can you control your depression? What way you would say it?
Emotions,
Control your emotions,
right emotions at the right time.
which is created by you.
Okay, right emotion, right time. So I don't think हम लोग इतने powerful है right emotion at the right time.
एफर्ट करना चाहिए ना, वहाँ जा पहुँचना ही है.
हाँ, तो नहीं वो पहुँचना बोलना आसान है सर.
You want to perfect
I
yourself.
have something to say. If
Yes.
you keep your emotions within you, if you keep all your sadness, all your worries within you, you don't remove it out, won't you feel more depressed?
I'm not asking you to remove it. I'm asking you to be a free bird. You have arrived at a very wrong time. We have already discussed. See, that's what I was coming to. When you're talking about everything, we're talking about depression. Depression occurs because you are not letting this emotion, you're not letting the ventilation of your emotion. You get it? So the first thing is that you have to sublime your emotion. Anyway, I don't care. It's not that you have to just say sublime, say it in your friends. This, go out, okay, speak in open. You should not be bothered about it. You should not be ashamed about it. See, feelings and emotions, these are the most creative weapons of the human races. I would say that. ये जो आज की तारीख में जो एक simple word जो बन गया है, subconscious beliefs and all, this is absolutely bullshit. Why? Because you cannot survive if you do not have the emotional intelligence. You cannot be called a human being if you do not have emotion in you. But again, you have emotions in you, but you know how to tune with your emotions. When you were small and when your babies were small, I know a lot of females, a lot of my cousins and all, they got married at 28 or say about 18 or 16 and all. The babies, by the time they are 20, they also got their babies, and when the baby would cry, they would also cry with that. That's also an emotion. Till the time baby is crying, the mother is also crying. वो आधे घंटे तक रोएगा तो मम्मी भी रोएगी उसके साथ. That's also emotion, but that's a wrong emotion. You understand? So when you say emotional, see the problem comes here in our life. Why the earlier people were happy? Why we say we are emotional fools or we are emotional senti or we are emotionally beggars. I use this word. Emotionally we are beggars. Because we talk and we credit everything in terms of only money. There is nothing called emotional fulfillment. Everybody would agree? हर relationship का measurement क्या है?
Yes,
Okay, your father is quite capable because he can get you iPad, he can give you laptop, he can give you car. Okay, by the age of 7 and 8, I have seen kids in 7, no, not even reaching 7 step, they have the iPhone, they have their own individual laptop, they have their own
Tablets.
yeah. And but how much is the learning with that?
Spoiled brat. spoiled brat.
Spoiled brat, forget about spoiled brat, but how much is the learning with them?
Absolutely nothing.
And when I tell you, when I was 7, I knew only one thing.
He's a mystery.
I had only one thing in my, kitty. If I want to do anything, I had to go outside. Because outside I had friends, outside I have a playground, outside I have party, where I'll party with my friends, outside have a whole circle to interact. I didn't have till the time I went for my high school, I didn't know what is the meaning of this word. When I went for my 5th standard admission, okay, somebody in the queue told me you have to get Xerox for it. I asked him, uncle, what is Xerox? Honestly, I'm telling you my own life experience. I was going for my 5th standard admission, and then uncle told me, you got the Xerox, what are the things you got? I said, I don't know, my brother is getting. So, लेकिन तुम्हें Xerox लाए हो ना? मेरे को नहीं मालूम, what is Xerox क्या होता है uncle? Then he told me, Xerox क्या होता है? He said, that's a very nice way. You know, ये जो तुम्हारा पेपर है ना, जैसा होता है ना, तो वैसे ही बिल्कुल ऐसा होता है ना, तो उसको Xerox बोलते हैं. That is the first definition I got for Xerox. Then I went running all the way to my brother. Bhai, he is telling me how to get Xerox. हम तो लाए नहीं, क्या करेंगे? No, I've got everything. People, these kiddos, my niece, she is right now in 1st standard. Okay, last year when she was doing her, those school के जो worksheet मिलती है, she got 2 worksheet, 2 days she was on, I think she started telling me, auntie go and get the Xerox for my worksheet. Ma, I was not there, I need the Xerox for that. कहती देखो Xerox मालूम है? हाँ, हम लोग के स्कूल में सब लोग करते हैं, मेरी सब friends लोग करते हैं. See how smart and how intelligent these people are. So the point is, emotional, sublimation is very important. The reason we are so much vulnerable to all the physical and the non-physical and the psychic and the mental problem is just because we don't sublime our emotion. You get it? Sublime मतलब हम अपने emotion को express करने का मौका ही नहीं देते, ना ही positive ना ही negative. Negative way में भी अगर तुमको बहुत emotional तुमको लग रहा है, you want to spend your time with your husband, what would you do at the most? Go for a movie. ठीक है, वो मूवी में 3 घंटे आप बैठे, लेकिन आपका इंटरेक्शन उस बंदे के साथ क्या हुआ? The child says, Mama, this Sunday I want to spend time with you. You said, okay, fine, most welcome. What do? You are there whole Sunday at home. What are you doing? Right from mornings 9 o'clock till afternoon 2 o'clock. You are watching BBC. You are watching Baywatch. You are watching Kid Care. You are watching what not. 2 o'clock you'll have your lunch. Then 3 o'clock obviously you'll take a nap. Then 4 o'clock you'll go to a theme party or a picnic or something, and then again 5, your day is over. So what is the benefit? What is the exchange that you have done? What is that you know about your children? What is you have done for the nurturing of their talents? Do you get it? So this is how you know people who have been spending for years. They have been spending 10 years, but they don't know each other. There's no intimacy. There is no sort of love and affection. क्योंकि आप 10 साल रहे हो, लेकिन 10 साल में आपने वाकई एक दूसरे के साथ कितना वक्त गुजारा है. आप आ रहे हो, आपने अपनी ड्यूटी फ्री कर दी, उसको खाना दे दिया, हस्बैंड को खाना दे दिया, हस्बैंड आ गया, उसने आपको पैसे दे दिए. What else the interaction is for? Is there any time without any reason you have been together, just talk with each other, spend time only with the kids, only with your parents, only with your mom, or just to the outside world? Maybe you're just on a bus or a train, you see somebody the next door, the lady or the gents, he is in a very bad mood. Did you ask him? Did you ask him what's wrong with you? Did you just not given him any money and all? But did you try to find out what exactly is the case? So we have become emotionally, we have become scavengers. We know only how to loot the other person in terms, I'm sorry to use this word, but this is what the reality is. So when you talk in your own terms, understand when you sublime your emotion, और इमोशन का सब्लिमेशन का सबसे इजी तरीका क्या होता है? सबसे इजी और सेफेस्ट तरीका क्या होता है?
प्रेयर.
बहुत बड़ी चीजें हैं, मेरे दिमाग में नहीं आती.
करनी पड़ती है ना, संसार में चलना हो तो करना ही पड़ेगा.
You go to introspection and find out what exactly is happening. Either have a self-talk Okay, where did I go wrong? How are the things happening to me?
Be a witness
Okay.
and
And
judge the
then-
situation.
Or you
No,
share,
see, I am a
or you
very
share with
layman
somebody.
person.
Or you
See,
share with somebody.
see, I would say I'm a very layman person. See, my father, my brother, in none of our family we have ever used any sort of help for any sort of professional or the personal, relationship. What is the thing that we would do and we would always would do with each other? Don't be judgmental, don't be critical, don't be about any issue, introspection, वो सब बहुत बड़े-बड़े लफ्ज़ हैं। हम क्या करते हैं? Try to be involved with each other at least 5 minutes a day. Not
Interaction.
on the money ground. Spending time, exchanging thought, just maybe just sitting down, listening to a song together, okay, singing a song together if I'm with my sister, if I'm with my niece, or maybe just in any way, just 5 minutes, a literal exchange in any, not audiovisual, not through phone, not through iPad, not through webcam, a personal interaction.
Quality time. Quality understanding.
First I said that there has to be a time. Quality time तो बहुत बाद में आता है. First there has to be a time. No webcam meeting, no video conferencing, okay, no Facebook chatting, okay, just a personal interaction. Whomever you want. ऐसे नहीं है. At least आप अपनी लाइफ के 2 बंदों से, मैं 3 भी नहीं बोलती. Any person whom you choose, not necessarily your husband, not necessarily your kid, maybe your friend, maybe an outsider. आप सामने किसी को नहीं बोल सकते, बाहर का third person choose कीजिए, okay? हम लोग इतने ज़्यादा डरे हुए हैं ना, कि हमको किसी को बोलना भी है कि ये चीज़ हो रहा है हमारे साथ ना, हम उतना भी स्टेमिना नहीं रखते, हम उतना भी करेज नहीं रखते, हम उतना भी कंपैशन नहीं रखते। और कोई हमको बता रहा है कि भैया मेरे साथ ऐसा हो रहा है, तो हमें इतनी भी हिम्मत नहीं होती कि हम उसको एक just patting or just giving
Shoulder.
shoulder to cry. We do not even have that much capacity.
Time में.
लेकिन आप देखिए टाइम किसके नहीं है. I'll give you a very simple example. Just 2 weeks back, we were having a discussion. Okay, it was like 2 weeks back. What was the issue? There was something we were discussing in a class and all. And I said, now I'm going to organize something. I said we are going to organize a workshop, and this would be the workshop. This will be the topic. And yeah, that was a BKC. I was having my workshop at BKC. That was on last week only, last Sunday only. Okay, so I said I'm going to do this workshop, and it's going to be help you to achieve your goal, how to achieve your goal in your life. And you need to come just once in a month. 1 hour, okay? We'll start with 1 hour, and as 2-3 weeks pass, if you'll agree, then we will increase it to the second hour. Otherwise, once in a month, I just want you to be there for about an hour only, not even 1 hour 10 minutes. You can choose the time of your liking. You can choose a day of your liking. I have place. I'll offer you the place, and there is no compensation and all. It's absolutely free. You can get your whomever your friends, your recommenders, whomever you are comfortable. This is all the big group from the well-reputed teachers, all schools from the Bombay Scottish, from this JB Pated and all those school teachers were there. I have a problem. I have a problem. I have a problem. I have a problem. I said, fine. You all have a problem? Okay, we'll discuss it sometime. Then I come up with the another proposal. Let's do something. Okay? The day after tomorrow, I'm going to go for a movie. Okay? And this movie is I didn't even tell them the name of the movie. There is a movie I'm going to go for, and the show is 11 o'clock. Okay? That was Sunday. Tuesday, 11 o'clock matinee show. I'm going for a movie. Who wants to come? There are already 15 people who wanted to join. They are all professional teachers. It's a weekday. And weekday also somebody is coming from Malar, somebody is coming from Bridge Kennedy, somebody. They're ready to come at 11 o'clock at Bandra at the theatre. But if I tell them to come on a Sunday evening finishing their work and their chorus, they wouldn't come. That's what the psyche. बोलते हैं ना बुराई में बहुत वो होता है, attraction होता है, बुराई जल्दी खींचती है. किसी को अच्छे काम के लिए बुलाना चाहोगे ना, बोल के मर जाओगे, बुराई के लिए बोलोगे चलो पिक्चर के लिए चलो, पिकनिक के चलो, फॉरेन आदमी भूल के आए। So that's what the thing is.
वो करके understand.
वो करके नहीं, मतलब that attracts you ना, that's fun. So see, I would say if you devote this 5 minutes every day with your family members or something, you'll find it difficult. But 3 hours sitting down in front of TV, you would not have an issue. Okay, 2 hours watching sports channel, you would not have an issue. Okay, spending an hour at a coffee shop with your friend or with like a business colleague, you would not have an issue. So we are spending that much more time, spending more money, spending like time with your friend on the coffee shop and all is obviously like it won't cost you less than 500 or something. घर में तुमको कितना कॉस्ट होगा, बैठोगे अगर चाय भुजिया बनाए कितना होगा, सब तो फ्री है, खाली तुमको बैठ के स्माइल करना है. वी आर नॉट इवन रेडी टू डू दैट. बाहर जाके फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी डू विल स्माइल. घर में हम बैठे तो हमारा स्माइल का फ्यूचर ही पूरा फ्यूज हो जाता है. ओके, वो फैक्ट्री सिर्फ बाहर वालों की है, घर वालों के लिए है ही नहीं. That's wrong. You get it? So when we say this 5 minutes are exclusive your property or your domain, now I want to see how many people are happy buyer of this domain. Do you understand what is the meaning of domain?
Area.
Area, territory. I would call it territory. This is my domain. This is my territory. So whoever comes, he has to take my permission because I have bought this. This is my flat. Nobody can else come without my permission. So this is what we do. You get it? So when you're talking about depression, आपको क्या करना है?
Welcome others into your domain and be nice with them.
Yeah,
Welcome others into your
that's a
domain
very
and be
good
nice
thing.
with them.
Sorry.
अपने दिल की बात किसी से कहना.
अपने दिल की बात किसी से कहना, यही चीज थी कि अर्ली जो पुराने जमाने में लोग जो हेल्दी रहते थे क्योंकि वो अपने लोगों से कंटिन्यूअसली relationships are important.
The rapport was much more.
Rapport was there. Rapport was there.
And there
हर
was
कुछ होता.
sufficient time also. The lifestyle was also different.
तो हाँ, लाइफस्टाइल वाज डिफरेंट, लेकिन लाइफस्टाइल आज भी सेम है ना. अगर हम चाहें, अगर हम 3 घंटा टीवी पे नहीं देंगे, हम 2 घंटा टीवी पे दें, एक आधा घंटा हम बाहर जाके किसी के साथ स्पेंड बाहर एक्सेप्ट. सेकंड वाज रीअरेंज. थर्ड वाज recognize. No, recognize ना. Rearrange आप किसको करोगे? आपको मालूम तो होना चाहिए आपको करना क्या है, right? And the fourth would be reward. Reward means appreciate. Okay, appreciate from the bottom up. ठीक है ना, recognize कर लिया. Recognize कर लिया. आपको मालूम है कि आपका हस्बैंड घर से आया है, 4 दिनों के बाद आया है, 10 दिनों के बाद आया है. अब उनकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, टायर्ड है, थोड़ा सर दर्द हो गया. Recognize what is the need. He needs a fresh cup of tea. He needs your warmth, your love. The child has come, he has got a trophy, you need to appreciate him. You need to hug him. You need to give him some good words of love. You get it? तो ये जब हम करते हैं ना, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, सिर्फ ये 2 चीजों में घूमे रहते हैं. आज की हमारी जो लाइफ है ना, ये 2 चीजों में घूम रही है. एक्सेप्ट करते हैं और उसको हर एक को रीशफल करते रहते हैं. लेकिन रीशफल करने के बाद उसको रिकग्नाइज करने का, नहीं मेरा बच्चा है, ये आएगा तो ये टाइम पे मेरे को घर पे ही रहना चाहिए. और आई नीड ओके, पूरा दिन के बाद मेरे में एनर्जी नहीं बचती है तो मैं आधा घंटा अपने लिए अलग रखूंगी. दोपहर में आधा घंटा सो जाऊंगी और 10 minutes आई गो आउट एंड स्पेंड विद माय फ्रेंड्स ऑन वीकेंड्स. नॉट वीकेंड्स, बच्चे होते हैं फ्राइडेज थर्सडे जब कोई नहीं होता. यू गेट इट? तो ये जब आप रिकग्नाइज करोगे ना, तो ही आपका ये होता है. दिस इज अल्टीमेटली, ये जहां आपने ये कर लिया ना, तो ये पूरा हो आपका ऑटोमेटिकली आता है.
Is that positive strokes?
These are positive strokes. These are definitely positive strokes. How could you take it to a negative stroke? हमको डिप्रेशन होता क्यों है? क्योंकि मेरे को मालूम है कि मेरे को नहीं जाना है रात में, लेकिन मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, हर रोज मैं अपना शफल करती हूँ, लेकिन मेरा रात का 2 बजे का ही प्रोग्राम है, तो सुबह में मेरे को मीटिंग के लिए लेट होना ही है. बच्चे लोग एवरी वीकेंड दे आर आउट टिल 2 o'clock पार्टिंग, तो फिर सुबह में उठ के आएंगे तो फिर क्या होगा, आइदर दे विल बी ड्राइविंग, रश ड्राइविंग, और नो वर्क नो प्ले, और देन घर पे सुटा, चलो हुआ ना 2 बजे तक पार्टी, अब घर पे 2 बजे तक बंद करो. सो इट्स लाइक दैट. तो रीअरेंजिंग के बाद रिकग्नाइज जो है ना, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. we have to see that when we realize it. So we say what? एक simple सा exercise मैं आप लोगों को करवाती हूँ, which will not even take you 2 minutes also. Just close your eyes. Okay? Just close your eyes. And this is what we call it third eye center, or your the center for your intuition and all. जो eyebrows के बीच में जो point होता है ना, इसको हम third eye center बोलते हैं control. Okay? So just on that point, okay, write. I want you to write. Take a golden ink and write no stress. Visualize yourself writing with a golden write no stress. Now I want the no has to get bigger than your whole face. Not head, forehead. Your no has to get bigger than your whole face. It's getting bigger than your whole body now. It's getting bigger than the whole room now. Now I want this no has to be understood or has to be manipulated as N.O. N is next, O is opportunity. So your next opportunity is to be relaxed, successful, happy and beloved. Successful, happy and beloved. You just say a small phrase, keep it in your mind, keep it always ready, and I would suggest it at least utter this 21 times in a day with a full affirmation, and the phrase is, I'm a magnet to attract love, happiness, life and peace. I'm a magnet to attract love, life, happiness, peace. I'm a magnet to attract love, life, happiness, peace. Just feel this phrase getting embossed into your mind, getting it completely embossed into your heart. Feel it flowing with your circulation, moving in your whole body, right from your head to toe, becoming a part of you, an indispensable part of you. You're a magnet to attract love, life, happiness, peace. You're a magnet to attract love, life, happiness, peace. You're a magnet to attract love, life, happiness, peace. Just relax yourself completely. Don't open your eyes. Just relax yourself for the time being. Give yourself a deep thought, getting itself completely embossed into your mind, into your body. You can gently open your eyes. That's over for the day. So this is the way we manipulate everything, right from your, you can say anything from your migraine, headache, blood pressure to your kidney problem, whatever is the issue. We'll have a natural and a drugless way to manage it. I have centers all across Mumbai, one in Andheri Lokanwala, one in Juhu, one at Bandra, then 2 here in town, one at Bombay Center, one at Metro. So anytime you have any issues related with beauty, health or wellness, if you have the skin issues, we have hair issues, whatever would be the issues, we tackle it completely total natural therapy. No injection, no shots, no grafts, okay? No lengthy discussions, only practical solution. So we said we won't go for lengthy questionnaire for say about 100 words. We just pinpoint the solution. So anytime you have any question, you can come down and meet me at my clinic. Otherwise, my clinic, serious, with depression, I would suggest calm down. Otherwise, I have this program called Yog Nidra, which is there on this. It's there on the YouTube also. It's a suggested guided relaxation program, Yog Nidra. It's a whole video, about 45 minutes. So which will help you a lot. In case you have any small issues and all, you can just solve it out through that. Otherwise, you come and meet me at any of my places.